I can't do an herb walk without saying hello to lavender, one of my favorite allies, my most favorite plants. And here it's beautiful. There's still, this is pretty much gone. These are dry, but you could still harvest these flowers and use them in your bath. And but here we have these fresh flowers. Yum, yum. I love to make lavender lemonade. I love to make lavender tea with honey. I love to make lavender foot baths, lavender body wash. So lavender, it's, again, it's antimicrobial, it's antibacterial, it stops topical infections, it's anti-inflammatory. I mean, this flower is an apothecary in itself. And it's vulnerary. Lavender is vulnerary. It actually heals the skin. So when you put it in your bath and when you put it in your compress, it heals and disinfects anything that's going on with the skin. Now, the flowers are beautiful, but I just have to tell you that you don't need the flowers, that you can use these leaves. And the amazing thing about lavender is that you can harvest these leaves all year round, 12 months of the year in most places. So these leaves are also anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial, vulnerary. So you make your compress and you heal, your cut or your scrape, or you put it in your bath to heal any kind of acne or cuts and scrapes or redness on your skin. And also, what do we think of lavender for? Just think of it for a minute. What do you know lavender to be good for? Right? Most people think of it for calming the nerves and relaxing. And that is so true. It's an amazing nervine and it's calming. But we tend to pigeonhole lavender into this like calming nervine. And we forget that it's a powerful cold and flu remedy. It's a skin healer. And along with this relaxing qualities, it's a perfect plant for fumigating, to disinfect a room. And oh my gosh, I love this plant. So there's your lavender.